Customers won't buy your digital product designs on Etsy if you don't get this right. In today's video, I'll uncover 3 low competition digital products dominating Etsy in 2025. I'll walk you through the process of what you need to do before selling these products and how to create top selling digital product designs using AI, making them even more attractive than the competition. Plus, I'll provide a list of 300 prompts for these designs to anyone who comments the word prompt in the comment section. So, without wasting any time, let's dive right in. If you have a habit of creating random designs for Etsy shop and expecting instant sales overnight, stop. There's a high chance customers won't buy your digital product because you're focusing on a low demand designs that struggle to generate sales. So how can you create and sell high demand products that are more likely to succeed? The best answer to that question led us to the first product on the list, TV frame art. For those unfamiliar, there is this trend involved using TVs as wall art. When the TV isn't in use, you can display an image, making it look much cooler compared to the traditional boring wall art. For example, Lily started an Etsy shop solely focusing on this type of digital product, and as a result, our shop has generated a total of 14k sales. If you analyze her shop using Alura, an Etsy external analyzer tool, you notice she currently makes $2k per month with a total revenue of $58k. Each of her listings continue to generate a good numbers of monthly sales, showing that there is still high demand for this type of product in 2025. Now, the best practice for selling one of these top performing designs is to click on this arrow here. From there, you can see which of these listings are performing well and use them as inspiration to create your own. For example, you could choose to create this type of design inspired by an oil painting of white hydrangeas, a still art design that has made impressive revenue. And using an AI platform like Kittl, you can achieve this by entering a simple prompt like this. Next, I'll set the aspect ratio to 16:9 and select an art style like oil painting style, which will produce an excellent result like this. Now imagine filling your Etsy shop with this type of top selling designs or starting a new shop focused on these high demand products that can generate serious profit. I hope you're still watching because there's a digital product design idea that has made Haley 22k in total sales with just 95 listings. But before we get to that, let's explore another digital product idea that has brought Tigar 5k in total sales. And according to Alura, Tigar makes $13k in monthly revenue and has a total revenue of $300k just by selling wall art design focused on cocktail wall art. And looking at each of his listings, you can confirm they continue to generate significant monthly revenue. This design is a simple representation of various cocktail designs on a plain background along with their recipe. According to the keyword search result, the search volume for the digital design is currently around 1,000 with a moderate competition. However, we can narrow it down further to reduce competition by targeting keywords like espresso martini. The search volume for this niche is high with lower competition, indicating strong demand for this type of cocktail designs. I also have a video on my channel where I go in depth on how to create this digital product. Now for the final digital product design that has brought Haley an impressive 22k in shop sales is junk journal designs. A junk journal is a handmade book created from recycling materials like old paper, book pages, or fabric scraps, often used for art journaling. While physical junk journal require time and effort to craft, digital versions are much faster to produce and offers endless design possibilities. If we analyze Haley's shop using Alura, we can see her junk journal design has made $33k in total revenue with a current monthly earning of $600 from just 95 listings. The best part, her junk journal designs continue to achieve impressive monthly sales. This means that if she keeps adding more valuable designs, her monthly revenue will only increase. One reason this design sells so well is that it has a good search volume, though the competition is quite high. So the best way to make fast sales in this niche is to narrow it down further. To do this, you can revisit the shop listing, sort them by the best performing designs, and use them as inspiration to create your own. For example, let's say you want to create a junk journal design inspired by this particular design. You can use Magic Media on Canva, input a simple prompt in this format, and select portrait as the aspect ratio to achieve this amazing result. I also have a playlist on my channel focused on junk journal designs where I go into details about how to create these designs. Finally, I hope this video was able to give you a potential digital product idea that you can start selling in 2025. Don't forget to comment the word prompt for the 300 prompt. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.